Well, more than 70% of African Americans say they do not have a will or other estate planning documents. That's according to a survey this year by Caring.com.
An Oakland attorney is trying to change that trend. Sharon Chin introduces us to this week's Bay Area Jefferson Award winner. Hi, Sharon.
Hi, Sarah and Ryan. Verlina Green-Telusca helps people get their paperwork in order so that if something bad happens to them, their family will know their wishes. When Verlina Green-Telusca opened her law practice in Oakland, she decided to specialize in estate planning, trusts, and probate because of what her own family endured.
My grandmother, she didn't have any documents in place, not even an advanced healthcare directive, and we didn't know basic things like if she wanted to be buried or cremated.
And years before, when her maternal grandmother passed,
my aunt, she sold the house. We don't know where any of the money went. So I said, you know what, I want to see if I can make a difference so that families don't have to go through the in-family fighting. Estate planning, leaving a legacy.
So Verlina began to educate her Oakland area community.
This is of utmost importance to me.
Mostly in churches, community centers, and schools.
Thank you.
She's invited other attorneys and financial advisors.
And it's my great honor to share with you what I know.
To join her in providing more than 60 free estate and retirement planning seminars in the last 8 years.
And we noticed that there were a lot of African Americans who did not have trusts, who did not have power of attorneys and advanced healthcare directives.
Educating individuals on
so audiences learn how to secure those documents.
We do.
And she explains how to pass down grandma's house from one generation to the next and plan ahead so your relatives don't end up losing a chunk of your money in probate court.
The state of California says you have to pay an attorney a percentage of the estate. That money could have gone to someone's college education.
Ann Johnson came ready to soak up Verlina's words of wisdom at a recent seminar at East Bay Church of Religious Science.
She made it very clear that this is something that we have to get a handle on.
Reverend D. Jacqueline Edwards calls Verlina a role model.
So there's that kind of commitment, passion, and it's authentic.
The Oakland native never tires.
I appreciate your time and attention.
Hearing from someone who's taken her advice and protected themselves and their property.
Pure joy. Pure joy. And I look forward to answering your questions.
So for offering free seminars to help people get their financial house in order, this week's Jefferson Award in the Bay Area goes to Verlina Green-Telusca. Verlina's nonprofit, the Estate and Retirement Planning Specialist, gives its next free seminar Saturday, June 18th at the Pan-African Wellness Festival at the Lake Merritt Amphitheater. Now, a bit of trivia. Now, every week, KPIX features a scholar who's risen above challenges to succeed. Well, Verlina was the second Students Rising Above Scholar 25 years ago.
Oh, my gosh.
Absolutely amazing.
Isn't it? And now she's won a Jefferson Award, too.
Wow.
And that story is so important for so many families.
Absolutely. Important information.
All right, Sharon.
For free.
Yep. Thank you so much.